Stephen, I want to tell you something. This was a really powerful story. It brought a tear to my eye. It was a story about trust, friendship, and everything in between. Thank you.
Pleasure. Okay, so what really happened there, it was a story to enable me to get them to do exercise. We made them use the imagination of canoeing, falling overboard, and lifting the boat out of the water, and having to run away from dangers. So the idea is that you get them bending their legs and using their arms, coordination and exercising, a little bit of running. The running at the other end on the beach on the blue mats, it's harder on the legs, so it takes a lot of the spring out of the leg. The exercise there where they're covering up at night time using the canoe, it's true, you should sleep under your canoe. And that's the exercise they were doing when they lifted it. So there's a little bit of truth behind it, as well as a practical training application. Take the boat out of the water and put it back where you got it from. Well done, guys, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed yourself. It was a long journey.